Hey guys, welcome back. So I actually got the weekend off, and so I'm just gonna kind of clean up the car, and Saturday morning I'm gonna go to the Cars and Coffee. You know, I'll still be under construction, but I just figured, you know what, I'm gonna polish it up a little bit, even though it's still needs a lot of work. But anyway, we're going to clean it up a little bit. That way it's not like a total project car. So yeah, get these white walls a little bit cleaned up. And then on Sunday, we're going to go to the other car show, Gears and Grind. That's a little further away. The heck? Get out of my garage. All right, get. Shoot. These pigeons, they like to come in my garage for some reason. Anyway, so just spray down these tires with some tire foam, and we're just gonna kind of, like I said, just kind of clean them up a little bit, get some of this white ball to pop up a little bit and shine. So I do this before I even spray it down or anything like that, because this foam is kind of nasty stuff, really. So I like to get rid of it first. Get that out of the way. I don't have any particular tire foam brand that I use. I just, whatever I think will be nice and work. Yeah, it's been a hell of a crazy week. Not my fault either. It's out of my control. Stuff just going on all around me, and life is getting in the way of me even working on my car. Of course, I had to fix the Subaru. You know, do brakes on it. I got another part, the Jaguar, to see if that's going to help fix that oil leak, because it started leaking again. So I'm just trying pieces here and there to see what will get it fixed. So anyway, there's that. All right, let's get some soap in a bucket, and yeah, let's get soap in a bucket, and then we'll wash it down a little bit. Bucket. Got my little, it's not really a chamois, I don't know what you'd call it, but anyway, it's a terry cloth towel, I guess you call it. So I always use just use a you know, a little bit of dish soap. I've always done dish soap. And get off all the major stuff. Wipe it down. There was I don't know what was happening, but sitting in the garage, there's a little bit of a film that has gotten on the top of the car. It's just, I don't know. It's not really oily or anything. It's not dust, but it's something different. So we're just gonna wipe it down and get some of that stuff off. Normally I'd put the top up, and like I said, I'm doing a quick detail. I'm not getting too crazy with this stuff. Just be careful with those.
got it out.
Yeah.
So now it's just body work?
I just got to finish the back. I got parts coming too. I got some new wheels, a suspension. Just wait. Wait till I finish it.
I heard it the other day.
Sorry, I woke you up.
No.
7 you're gonna hear it at 7 in the morning.
No, because his Mustang's pretty loud too.
Huh?
His Mustang's pretty loud. I hear his every morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the car show in the morning, so.
Get him. Oh, the one right here on Eastern?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I'm sorry if I wake you up.
No, that's okay. When I get my Harley, I'm gonna be sorry too.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Kind of like work from top to bottom, you know. Yeah, there was definitely some type of film that was all over the car. So one day I'll get a real paint job. Alright. More smears or anything. Alright, we're just going to wipe down this section in here just with a moist towel. Just kind of get that dust off. You know, get any of that grime and stuff off, dirt, dust, and you know, get in some of these little spots here, like the seat, and then we'll come back in and kind of detail it up a little bit more. But like I said, we're just kind of just wiping it down real quick. Because then we'll come back with the actual cleaners and actually really clean it up and vacuum it out. So glad I fixed that door. So much nicer. I like to spray everything down before I vacuum. Some people like to vacuum, but I kind of like to get that spray down. So anyway, this is the detailer spray. Don't need a lot. Just enough to, you know, just kind of coat everything a little bit. And I'm using the Meguiar's. I don't, you know, like Armor All and all that makes it too shiny, you know, for my taste. So I kind of just want that clean look. So. See how it looks a little bit cleaner, gets a little those scratches and scuffs off. Nothing crazy. Alright. Makes it shines a little bit, but not a whole hell of a lot. And so just enough to put a nice little. I got the interior looking pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but it looks pretty good. You know, for a driver, it looks pretty damn good. Much better than what it did. You know, that's all that matters to me. Much better than what it did. Then the glass cleaner, I use the spray way. It just foams up, and it's just nicer. It's a nicer glass cleaner. Doesn't seem to leave streaks as much as the other one. I used to like invisible glass, but I think invisible glass changed their formula or something. It doesn't foam up as well, you know, like it used to. And so I moved over to this one, and it just works better. So what I use my invisible glass is for, just for now, is just for like to clean chrome parts and stuff like that. And you know, some more of the dirty stuff. But when it comes to actual detailing, I like the spray way. And we'll open up the hood, detail some of the hood. I got to get the wheels, I got to polish the wheels up a little bit. I'm just going to take glass cleaner to them and clean them up. And then we'll get underneath the hood and polish up some down there. We're just going to kind of clean up the outer edge here, the barrel. We're not going to get too crazy. Like I said, it's not a show car, so I'm just trying to try to make it a little bit more presentable when I do take it. So something like that. All right. Whew, we got to detail the hell out of that. But you can kind of see how the water spots, you know, are on it. Take this real nice glass cleaner and it just takes it right up. Alright, same down here. Like I said, we're just polishing it up a little bit. We're not getting too crazy. Because really, you could get that, oh, what do you call it? Kind of, you know, makes everything more darker, you know, for the blacks, for like your spark plug wires and that. Oh, what is that stuff called? But anyway, yeah, we could get that, but I'd really polish up the engine. But like I said, I'm just kind of try and clean it up a little bit. Nothing, just make it a little more presentable. Because I am gonna start, you know, I'm gonna be working on the car, and it's just gonna get dirty again anyway. So I don't want to get too crazy, and you know. So anyway, we're just gonna wipe some of these water spots down on the hood and underneath. Maybe I'll rub it on this. The vent, clean it up a little bit because it has water spots on there. Just get those water spots gone. That way it looks just nice and clean. What really sharpen up underneath the hood here is making a little bracket that goes around the vent itself. I'll show you. So like up here, you know, if I actually built a metal bracket that went around the whole thing and kind of secured it in, that'd look real nice. Like I said, we're just trying to get some of the bigger spots off, because when I come back, it's gonna get all dirty and everything anyway. If anything, I'd have to get some wax on there and polish it up. So, car's not perfect by any means. I really don't want it to be perfect. Once you get perfect, you're kind of afraid to drive it. As you've probably seen some of my driving videos. I kind of drive this car a little harder than than most people would have, you know, with their classic vet. So if I blow shit up, I blow shit up. All right, I'm just kind of wipe that one more time. All right, that's good enough for a meet and greet. And we'll see you next time. See you tomorrow. Take a little video of the car show tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.